Since the last video that I did about LinkedIn company pages and free job postings, there's been a change. And the change is you need to validate your identity before you can post to a company page for a job. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I come down here to one of my company pages right here, and we go to start a post and click the three dots. Here's where you share that you're hiring. This is basically the free company job posting. So I'm gonna look for a dust collector. I filled this all out. I'm gonna write my own description for the job. I'm gonna put that in here. Now look what happens when I hit next. To confirm you work with M. Joelle Photography, we'll need to send a verification code to your company email address. Enter your company email address here. Now, the bottom line is you cannot put a Gmail or a Hotmail or any kind of public domain email addresses. You must put a company email address. And typically what LinkedIn is looking for in this context, an example would be, Teddy at mjoellephotography.com or something like that. If you do not have a company email address, you will not be able to get the verification code, and you also will not be able to post a job. Now, by the way, a few more validation points. This email address will be added to your account. The organization will see your email address is confirmed and will ask permission before sharing any other information with your organization. Bottom line, you can no longer post a free LinkedIn job unless you validate you're an employee of that company, and the validation process is via the company email address. I know for some smaller companies this could be a burden. There are small firms out there, small retail, business-to-consumer companies that do not have a business email address, and this could be a burden for them. However, I also understand that LinkedIn needs to make sure that everyone who posts jobs on company pages are in fact employees of those companies. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this information is helpful for you.